Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel, and once again we're just going to get to it. But I should say I am really sorry about my voice. I have got a really bad cold, and yeah, so this is just my voice at the moment, nice and hoarse and tickly. So yes, these are the drawings that I created today, furthering on from the ballerinas, and to create the ratios and proportions and layer and structure and everything. It was quite a challenging topic and subject, and purely, and that is why I chose it, because it's really fun to do and you can learn a lot from these. The things that I mean, I didn't have a lot of time, as you know. Well, if you don't know, then the methods I utilise are 4 minutes per drawing. You section off your paper into 4 pieces, and then the fourth area is for an analysis. So yeah, the hands definitely need more attention. And the reason that there isn't any detail in the faces, sorry, my hand just wobbled. The reason that there's no detail in the faces is because these are purely sketches for underneath potential drawings or paintings or charcoal or whatever in future. But the purpose of me doing these is to gain more experience and skills to in like proportions and ratios and structure. So we'll get on with it. Good speed for all three. Sorry, I just coughed there. Good first attempt as well as the second one. I utilised the geometric and observational method for both of them, with a slight bit of Loomis for the face. I did simplify the third drawing, seeing if I could create it with less lines, although it does actually look as if I've got more lines, but never mind. And that is definitely out of proportion, but yeah, I was trying something new. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy with it was quite, again, it was quite a difficult position, specifically the feet again. I enjoy doing individual feet if that's the subject, but see if you're doing a body as well as the hands and the feet, I don't know why, but I'm struggling with that. So that is definitely a future topic to go back to. But for now, this is what I've learned. I am still heavily using heavier pressure on the pencil. That is definitely an ongoing issue, as I said in the past. I definitely need to get on top of that. I am trying another method, which hopefully you'll see tomorrow. Let me know what you think. I can see an improvement, but if you can't, hopefully you can too. Let me know what you think, and also check out the previous videos even a year ago, and you'll see the difference in the drawings that I create now. Let me know, and also if you do use the methods that I have been talking about in the videos, that would be awesome if you did, and awesome if you could let me know. Thanks guys, bye!